Ani, as I told you in the first part, light falls on the object and the object reflects that light into our eyes, and through our eyes it the image of that object goes into our brain, and brain tell us what that object is. And the method realize and the big dopo chungo to buzo. And through this way we were able to see light. Buzo swa dirta ra zo ki chala thonge di dushine thongo resla. Okay, di chikche. Now transparent object. So transparent object lana kandi chila kuna nime yedi di shego di nanglo ne nime yedi kola dzune ani parthut niga dotu. Ani chala chikni nime parthut niga dotu kiyo na rwa shego rikto rwa mota ki shego rikto kande ina parthut niga thongtu kiyo na tsangma tsangya dende ki object la transparent object la kire isla rwa pena di shego dende ma nime yedi parthut niga dotu rwa and the transparent object the shegorik ani shegorik kare parsu niga tsangma tsangya thongtu ge yo ro nga ju gihu gi shego ro dige tsangmal khalagina transparent objects lakire is like understood. Okay, next, opaque objects. Okay, this is an example of uh, a mirror. Okay, uh, yes, mirror and apple ro ani brick ani cup ani stone ani can tingodo dra kesi ti shego tarwa shego la nima yuji powai na nima yudi pats nika dotu re shego gebne ma tendu re shego la dila gorda tongshel. Suppose a light falls on a mirror. Do you think that light can pass through the mirror? No, the mirror will stop the light, right? Mirror will stop the light, and it will reflect that light um, uh, towards us. Manzo gi chokla ye di chu dabne chu lo tangirwa. Suppose let's take an example of an apple. Manzo apple gi perjul indara kushuki. Ye ji dus lewa ina apple la phoi na. Ye di apple ne phasu ni ga dotu re she gona shi. Dotu mara ye dagara la ka she girwa. Ye din on them they will form the shadow kunzo gi khaji na tipna sur ra nima ye kawai na kane chujo de la kunzo gaji tipna leptu, right? Tipna lep kirwa. So tipna lep ke di kharte ngor na that they do not allow the light to pass through them. Kunzo nanglo ni ye di phartu doju go mar ye di khachi gore ka sha gor. So those objects which stops the light wa ye ka shangi gi chala rig digela as khalagil na opaque objects la is like opaque. Opaque la na ye kawa ye yung machunge pina ngazo nang ra nang la yin bai na ngazo nang gi tsikpa diwe gi nime ye di nang la yung chugo marwa ka shigirwa tsikpa gi re mare ra tsikpa gi di ka shigirwa ani ina nang gi gihu gi shego diwe gi ye ka gi marwa partu ni ga do chugurwa andila khalag na transparent la girwa kangi changma la khalag na opaque objects. So those objects which stops the light, right? Which stops the light and do not allow them to pass through them. Concept nanglo ne parso ni ka doma chungi dige la kala gira la na. It's called opaque objects la birta. Kuso se buso. Diche ek chen, right? And the picture, following pictures are showing the examples of opaque objects. And the wall at you par dige sama opaque objects ki picture dalo. Diche ek chen. Now, third one is about translucent object. Translucent. Ta ngazula kharle so transparent lana pharsur nika changma changya thong chunge. Transparent. Opaque lana bet ka shange che thong ma chunge. Translucent lana kandichil na pharsur thong chunge ine changma changya thong ma chunge. Rwa thongla ma thongla chi. Dende thong chunge dila khalena translucent. Pena delta da. Dela shego sip mukpa khurgyo yana sipa khurgyo dikabla 미직 랑와 하고도와 이네 미수임에 동과 짱마짱야 동급이도와 셀라 마셀라시 동급도와. So here we can see the mirror with a fog, right? Fog on it, but we can see that someone is standing behind that glass, but we cannot see the person clearly. So those objects which allows the light to pass through them chala ri khashe khari yol na Quran su na lo ne ye pha chu do chu gi rete ine gangza e do chu go mare gangza ka ge mare test do chu partially le girwa test pha chu do chu na 아니 가서 파절 딩이 미디 통도 가라 두스토스 통그래 있라 오케이 안 치고 지게 내가 두고 상마상에 통도와 버디 takshodi kaashana tada tsugu imba haku de sewushira thongu medwa and di takshodi dige nalo chala yawa haku do ayan chala de tsanga thongu medwa and del phajo dela we can see on the other side we have got a chair but through this thin sheet of paper or tinted glass raw tinted glass we can see it's not so clearly visible raw tsanga thongu medwa any colored plastics rana lo chala yo thongur te changma thongu marwa any plastics tende rigi maina and clouds all these objects are called translucent objects because they allow the light to pass through them but not completely partially not 100% 50% okay they allow the light to pass through them partially lana taste to chugre is la bet to chugmare is la dende riki chala langa to khalagna such kind of objects are called translucent objects dende langa to khalagna translucent objects lagire is la so translucent objects are those objects which allows the light to pass through them partially partially lana taste la order okay uh, if you want to know the meaning of partially lawaina and the partially meaning partially ki meaning stawaina partially okay so partially means only in part to a limited extent tumbu kashi chashe kashi wa changya mekyo okay dila khalagna partially labkirda asla partially testing which is okay so sela masela thonggiwa yana testing thonggiwa dila khalagna partially labkirda ra testing ya kogi tumbu testing thonga chashi testing thonga okay changya kashi gen ge changya kare me ma thonga dila khalagna partially labkirda right okay dikina timba chek sharu che shwe wa ani dinema ah ani dinema pusde last nangle ji nangle di kari la wai na di differentiate the following items into transparent opaque or translucent objects dela paper te water bottle te ani ice cube yore ani thuklo yore top wa dang la sticky tape yore ani chair yore right okay and dinde yo ina dige changma di item thuk di and dinala transparent khadiresha remove matin dik ming tinadi transparent khadiresha opaque khadiresha translucent khadiresha and dige dinala chugro chi is lan shi and di gangla di thuk me be ya so so ne thewa ga shi chi chuk tu na ming chugro chi lan shi okay so today as a last part I would like to give you a homework it's only one question which says differentiate the following items into transparent, opaque or translucent objects. Okay students, so what I want you to do is make three tables like this: transparent, opaque and translucent objects. And you can see here the first picture is of paper, second is of water bottle, third is of ice cubes, fourth one is on top, right, upper part of our cloth, and which we wear on upper part. Sticky is called top, and sticky tape you can consider it as a transparent tape. Ding zo transparent tape chi pichu chigi ang zo de shugu jare chi on the page samlo tana tir da bu. And sixth one is chair. Please differentiate these items into transparent, opaque, and translucent objects. And and on top of that, and from yourself, from your side, you can add three or more items into this table: transparent, three or more, opaque, and translucent. Kashichi add chituna chisharuchi is lanishwe. So, during dagara himpuzo, ani next class lang azo ya remove the touch in it. Dinang shin chine, ani ang topic shamba